This channel you're seeing on your screen actually lost her channel, and guess what, guys? She was able to get back amazingly. Like, if I explain to you the whole process, you guys are going to be amazed. Maybe not all of you, but at least a few of you might be amazed that about how she was able to get her channel back, because we all know there is something about YouTube. Once YouTube takes down a particular channel, oh my God, it takes the grace of God to be able to get back that channel back up on YouTube. Like, it takes the divine grace of God. Yeah, so this particular lady, I talked about it in my previous video. She was one of the person that her channel got deleted by YouTube, and she got the circumvention policy strike. I don't know if you guys have actually heard of circumvention policy. So circumvention policy is a kind of strike you get when you are trying to, number one, bypass a ban. You guys can go ahead to read about it here. That's one of the things that actually, yes, the number one reason, like, let's say maybe somebody gets a strike, maybe YouTube take down your channel, and then you went ahead to go and create another channel. That is like the number one major reason everybody is aware of. Meanwhile, there are other reasons that could actually lead to circumvention policy ban. Not just only if YouTube has deleted your channel before and then you go ahead to create a particular channel. You can also get a circumvention policy ban if you are trying to beat the algorithm. Yes, that word is everywhere. If you search YouTube right now, how to beat the algorithm in 1 minute, how to beat the algorithm, there are several videos on how to beat the algorithm. I'm not saying that particular video are wrong anyways. I'm just trying to say that when you're trying to beat the algorithm, like, you just, you want to get monetized overnight. Yeah. So one of those, that is actually another reason you could get circumvention policy ban. Or another reason you can get circumvention policy ban is, let's say you're trying to bypass copyright. Maybe you have a particular video and that video is copyrighted, and you can see that, oh, this particular video is copyrighted, and then you're trying to bypass that copyright. The process of trying to bypass that, maybe you're trying to, because there was someone that actually reached out to me. Oh my God, I hope this particular person actually finds this video to be able to correct that. So the person reached out to me, and the person was like, he wants to upload a video, and that video is copyrighted, so it will, like, just to attract views, get watch hour, if you're using some kind of videos, you actually attract more views to yourself. And he knows that this particular video is actually copyrighted, but he was now saying that, can he, after uploading, can he try to bypass it by, maybe blurring out some parts? The way YouTube actually does this editing right now, this is their studio, the way YouTube have upgraded, you don't need to take down a particular video if you want to edit a video. Like, let's say if you upload a video right now to YouTube, I really hope I'm explaining this well enough. Upload a video to YouTube, and then YouTube is giving you copyright claim. There's a part where you can, erase the song, trim a part of the video in your YouTube studio. So the person was like, maybe you can just try and trim it, blur it, do some things, because you will not lose the watch hour and you will not lose the views. Yes. So he's trying to, like, bypass and probably mute the audio, because if the audio was what gave him the copyright, so the process of trying to bypass copyright, you could get circumvention policy. So if you're doing that, or you're planning to do that, please do not do that, because it could lead to circumvention policy. But the popular one everybody knows about is when you have done something, maybe you have done something previously on your YouTube channel, and then YouTube terminates your channel. YouTube usually say you are not allowed to open another channel. If you open another channel, that is circumvention policy. Like, that one is the major ban, like the major meaning everybody knows to be circumvention policy. I'm just here to actually state a few. They are more meaning, more explanation. You guys can go ahead, head over to YouTube, read more. Not only YouTube, you can head over to ChatGPT. I feel like ChatGPT also explains it more for people to fully understand. Or you can go on YouTube itself. You can go to their site and just go online, search for circumvention policy and read on it fully. It's just a means of trying to bypass. So this particular lady actually reached out to me, and she was like, Ineka, I've gotten circumvention policy strike. And then in my mind, I was like, oh my God, because she's actually a lady that is very, very precious to me and very close to me, very dear to me. In fact, she's like a dear sister, like my sister from another mother. I've actually not met her one-on-one, but then, so let me not digress. Because people say I like to digress a lot. Yeah, so when she told me, I was so affected. I was like, oh my God, I took it personal. I won't lie. I took it very, very personal. I was worried. I told my husband, oh my God, what are we going to do? What am I going to do? She has a convention policy. And then we were like, okay, so I told her that, okay, there is something about YouTube. When you get strike or termination or deletion, you can only appeal once. Once, you guys should take note. So for those of you that usually see, strikes or anything, you just rush straight ahead to appeal. You only have one chance to appeal. So do not do that in haste. I usually tell people that come to me first, I'll tell them, take like 7 days so that you can think and know exactly what to say, so you don't even get it all wrong, because you only have one chance and you don't want to mess up that one chance. So I told her that, okay, you can only appeal once, blah, 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 blah. And then she was like, okay, how are we going to do this appeal? And guess what? She reached out to ChatGPT, explained the whole situation to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave her a prompt. She shared it with me that, Nika, look at what ChatGPT sent to me. Is it okay? Is it nice? I read it. I went through it. I was like, okay, this actually looks cool, because like after reading that, I saw that, yes, this is actually very understandable. And she put in some information, guys. And by the way, if you have circumvention policy issue, I'm going to be leaving my email for you guys right here. Like if YouTube has actually taken down your channel and maybe one way or another, you got that circumvention policy and you took down your channel and you want to get it back, you can reach out to me on this particular email for the prompt. Maybe, just maybe, you can give it a shot, give it a try, if it will actually work for you. It's a template actually. So she actually followed that template, and guess what, guys? She was able to get her channel back in less than 24 hours of actually sending in that appeal. Yes, this is good news that I am super excited. Very, very, I'm actually very, very happy about that. So she was able to get her channel back. So in case if you're in that situation too of circumvention policy, remember I said you can only appeal once. So I know you guys will not be thinking that, but I've already appealed. How should I reach out to you to get this prompt? You have a lifeline, your last lifeline. And the last lifeline actually is to reach out to Team YouTube. So if you have appealed once and it's failed, you have the last option, which is the Team YouTube. Do not give up on your channel if your channel has been taken down. So that Team YouTube, reach out to me for the template. I'm going to give you the template. Try to edit it to fit in your situation, or you can go ahead to ask ChatGPT directly, explain your situation. And when you're explaining to ChatGPT, make sure you are 100% honest. Yes. So that it can give you the right perfect prompt to use, the right perfect template that will actually fit in your situation and that will not put you in more trouble. Yes, do not, yeah. So if you need the template, if you need, just let me know. And reach out to Team YouTube on Twitter. They're on Twitter. Just tag them. They usually respond in less than 24 hours. They don't take time. Unless maybe if it's weekend. So that one you can wait like maybe a day or two. But if it is on a weekday, just be expecting response from them within 24 hours. Yeah, so I just said, let me just come and share in case maybe YouTube and somebody else, I'll try and, what's his name? Oh my God, I missed his name right now. So maybe when I remember, I'm going to be leaving it on the screen. He also made a video. I don't know if he has made it at this point, but he said he's going to be making a video about it. Someone very close to him, her channel also got the circumvention policy strike, and YouTube deleted her channel and they were able to get it back with just, he explained all of that in his video. So maybe you guys can go ahead and check his video. Like at the point of recording this video, I don't know if he had made that video, but I think he should. So you guys can just go ahead and check if that video is already up. If it's not up, then it is going to be up very soon on his channel. So you can go ahead and also learn from that. All right. Thank you very much. If you have learned one or two, please do what to hit that like button, do what to subscribe, and do what to share. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.